Birthday and work anniversary reminders. Celebrating employee birthdays and work anniversaries are a great way to build emotional connect and enhance inter-team bonding. This improves overall team morale and promotes a positive work environment. Within the Human Resources module, we have incorporated the feature for managers to stay informed about upcoming employee birthdays and work anniversaries. This feature automatically dispatches reminder emails for forthcoming employee birthdays and work anniversaries to the manager of the subject employee. These emails are sent 1 week in advance of the event. To receive reminders for employee birthdays and work anniversaries, the following fields on an employee record are required: direct manager, date of birth, and work start date. The direct manager field specifies who the reminders are sent to via email, while the date of birth and work start date fields are used to determine the next birthday and next work anniversary respectively. Should a manager prefer not to receive email reminders, they can easily configure this within their employee profile by setting the birthday reminders and work anniversary reminders to no. By doing so, they will opt out of receiving reminders for either of these events.